Did you know that your statement of purpose can make or break the outcome of your visa application? It could actually make or break the chances of you studying in Canada. Hello everyone, your girl Joy here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be talking about a super important topic today. If you're looking to study in Canada, writing your statement of purpose is a very important topic. This is one of the most crucial documents you will be needing for your Canada study visa. Let's dive in and go straight step by step. I will not only be sharing tips, I'm also going to be citing an example here. First, you want to start with a strong introduction. Now think about this. You're introducing yourself to the visa officer who is reading, so tell them a little about yourself, like your academic background. You want to talk about your personal background a little. Most importantly, you want to tell them why you're interested in studying in Canada. Now this is your chance to show what drives you and how studying in Canada fits into your journey. Here is an example. I am writing to apply and express my unwavering commitment and sincere intent to pursue a study visa for Canada in my relentless pursuit of academic and professional growth. My name is XYZ, a passionate natural herbal medicine practitioner and a dedicated entrepreneur with a fervent desire to elevate my knowledge, expand my horizon, and achieve excellence in the field of healthcare. It is with great enthusiasm that I submit this statement of purpose as an integral part of my application for a Canadian study visa, with the aspiration to enroll in the bachelor's degree nursing program at the esteemed University of XYZ. My journey is deeply rooted in a close-knit family of 5, where hard work and perseverance are values instilled by my parents, both educators and entrepreneurs in their own right. My father, a retired veteran educator, has successfully transitioned into the world of business and farming. My mother, on the other hand, continues to serve as a senior educator while managing her own entrepreneurial pursuits. The dedication to excellence has been instrumental in shaping my character and instilling in me a relentless pursuit of knowledge and a passion for serving others. I consider myself a diligent and ambitious student who thrives on challenges. My educational journey began in 2009 when I obtained my West African examination certificate from XYZ in XYZ. During a gap year after high school, I actively pursued my passion for helping others by acquiring skills as a stylist and a makeup artist. I then embarked on a remarkable journey into natural herbal medicine, which culminated into the establishment of my own business, XYZ, dedicated to producing and selling natural herbal products. My journey has allowed me to impact the lives of over 10,000 women worldwide, offering support and guidance in their quest for conception through the use of natural herbal medicine. Now, this is a very integral part that you want to consider while writing your statement of purpose. Next up, you want to talk about your academic and career goals. Now, here is where you want to be very specific about your plans. All right. Now, let's say you're applying for a master's in data science. Explain why this program is perfect for you. You also want to talk about how it aligns with your career and ambitions, your goals. Remember, the more precise you are, the more credible your statement feels like. Here is an example. My decision to pursue a degree in nursing is fueled by my compassionate nature and unwavering dedication to serving those in need. I am excited about the opportunity to blend my knowledge as a natural herbal medicine practitioner with the principle of modern healthcare. This multidisciplinary approach holds the promise of delivering more holistic and patient-centered care, which aligns with my aspiration to make a meaningful impact in various healthcare settings. Let's talk about Canada and why this specific institution. Now, this part is so important. Think about what attracted you to Canada's education system. Maybe it's the high quality program, okay? And then maybe it's the country's approach to practical and hands-on learning. As for the school you're applying to, you really want to dig deep into the programs, the faculty, specific courses. You want to think about the members of the board, the research facilities that drew you in. Now share all of these details in there. Now this not only shows the visa officer that you've researched, it shows how serious you are, how intentional you are with the program that you're going for. Here is an example. I firmly believe that the University of XYZ's nursing program will provide me with the comprehensive knowledge and practical experience necessary to excel in the healthcare industry upon my return to Nigeria. The University of XYZ's distinguished history of preparing graduates for successful careers dating back to 1854 is a testament to its academic excellence. The Faculty of Nursing has a long-standing reputation, and Canada's emphasis on research and practical experience is unparalleled. It offers a unique platform for me to engage in intriguing experiments and projects that enhance my learning experience. I choose Canada as my study destination due to its inclusive and high-quality education system, and the University of XYZ's full-time Bachelor of Nursing program aligns perfectly with my career aspirations. Then there is the background and relevant experience. Now, this is a part that you never want to miss. It is the part where you connect the dots, okay, between what you've done so far, like probably your studies, your internships, programs, or work experience, or whatever it is, or what you're planning to do in Canada. So you want to talk about how these things are relevant, how this experience have prepared you for the program. All right, how probably, for example, you had your internship at a tech company. So explain how that experience has fueled your passion for the specific program, okay, that you're going to study. Now, an important one that we really want to talk about is one of your future plans after studying in Canada. Now, this is where you actually get to reassure the visa officer that you plan to go back to your home country. Trust me, this cannot be overemphasized. All right, so you want to talk about your career plans, what it's going to look like at the end of your study. You want to explain how the program will help you accomplish them, and how you're going to go back to your home country. For instance, if your goal is to start a business or work in a specific industry, in your own country, spell it out. State how that would help you build that business. Remember to spell it all out. Even the ones that you feel like are not so important, please include that there. Here is an example. In Canada, I aspire to engage in volunteer activities related to healthcare and community service. These endeavors will enable me to apply my nursing skills, make a positive impact on the academic institution, and contribute to the local community. My desire to get involved in nursing research and innovation projects stems from my commitment to advancing knowledge and offering fresh solutions to healthcare challenges. In conclusion, my pursuit of education in Canada is fueled by my unwavering dedication to becoming an outstanding healthcare leader and a catalyst for positive change in my homeland, XYZ. My cherished venture represents the culmination of significant effort and dedication
As I eagerly anticipate acquiring knowledge, I am motivated by the prospect of returning to transform both my company and contribute meaningfully to the advancement of the healthcare system in XYZ. Beyond the professional realm, the women in XYZ are in need of my assistance, and the expertise gained during my studies will play a crucial role in shaping my career trajectory. Additionally, the ties of family binds me, and I am eager to reunite with my loved ones. With my father growing older, he has entrusted me and my twin sister with the responsibility of overseeing a family business. I am committed to preserving and extending his legacy after completing my studies.
Now, speaking of which, this is also a good time to highlight your ties. If you were thinking about what is ties, it is certainly called home ties. Now, what connects you back to your home country? You cannot just go and say, oh, I don't have a family back home. I don't have anything that connects me. This is simply very important because no matter how much you highlight your dreams, this is what I'm going to do when I get back at the end of my studies, your home ties are very important. It certainly shows that this is a strong ties that connect you back to your home country, and certainly you would go back home to those ties. The visa officers need to know exactly why you have to return back. You want to make sure you mention your family connection. It could be a job, a prospect, or a commitment, or probably it could be maybe a property or whatever it is that you have back home. This shows how your intentions are genuine. Here is an example.
In preparation for my absence, I have entrusted my dearest sister with the stewardship of my business and landed properties. This strategic delegation ensures that my endeavors and responsibilities are well managed in my absence. The confluence of these factors underscores the imperative of my eventual return to XYZ, where I can leverage my newfound knowledge and skills for the betterment of my community and family. My ultimate aim is to apply my newfound knowledge and skills to support and empower more women in XYZ through my foundation dedicated to helping those striving to conceive. I have taken substantial steps to demonstrate my intent to return after completing my studies, including legal documentation and support from my family.
Remember, we want to be concise and genuine at the same time. Let's not forget the financial preparedness. This doesn't have to be a huge section, okay? But make sure that you briefly explain how you're planning to cover your expenses, your tuition, your living expenses while you're studying in Canada. Now, this could be through personal savings, family support, or scholarships. It's just another way of showing you're well prepared for the program and the tax ahead. Here is an example.
I have carefully arranged my financial provisions for my education, encompassing full tuition coverage, living expenses, and pocket money. The funds exceeding XYZ Canadian dollars have been amassed through various business dealings, and I have provided proof of transactions and business contract, including Stripe payment records. My business XYZ also leased 2 acres of land to a company with the amount of XYZ paid annually into my account for a duration of 5 years, which covers my study years. My brother, XYZ, an aircraft engineer, generously gifted me XYZ, providing invaluable documentation to confirm his support. Additionally, my father gifted me a 4-bedroom flat worth XYZ, and legal document confirming this will be provided. I plan to rent out the flat, ensuring a constant stream of funds throughout my studies. Moreover, my husband, XYZ, leases one of his warehouses, and the yearly payment of XYZ has been legally documented to be directed to me throughout my years of study. All the necessary documents to substantiate these claims have been submitted. I am well prepared not only for the first year, but for the entire duration of my studies. Also, As a health content creator, I earn from social media channels like YouTube and TikTok. All proof showing my earnings has been provided.
Now, finally, let's wrap it up with a strong conclusion. Now, this is where you want to leave a lasting impression. So finish with a summary of your motivation. Take, for instance, this is what motivates me, what motivates you to study, and your dedication to making a positive impact once you're done. Here is an example.
In conclusion, my pursuit of education in Canada is driven by my unwavering commitment to becoming an exceptional healthcare professional and a catalyst for positive change in my home country. My journey is guided by a personal creed that emphasizes leadership, excellence, and transformation. I am fully prepared, both academically and financially, to embark on this educational adventure with an open heart and a strong commitment to excellence. I am profoundly grateful for the opportunity to apply for a Canadian study visa, and I look forward to the possibility of studying in Canada. My journey will not only enrich my life, but will also contribute significantly to the betterment of my community and my country. Thank you for considering my application. I eagerly await the opportunity to pursue my dreams and make a positive impact in the healthcare industry.
That is simply all that you have to do. Those are just the key points you want to eat while writing your statement of purpose. Keep it concise and genuine, and aim for just go about 700 to 1,000 words. You want to make sure it is not too much. I hope this gives you enough information as much as you need. If you find this exciting, useful, or valuable, please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this to anyone you know is looking to study in Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Only few do. Every corner tells a tale so new. In this world I feel free and true. We're moving on.